Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can properly refill all detergents in Dishwasher Miele G 53. So let's start from the detergent tub. Let's open this chamber and put it inside this hole with the small plastic foil. Then the rinside dosage, just refill it with your detergent to this hole. Then close it up. And the last one is salt. So you have to go to the inside of your appliance, open the cover by turning it to the left side, and as you can see, now we can refill the salt storage to this hole. Then close the top and turn it to the right side to close the cover. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.